2x plus 3, or 2x over 3, take away 1, is equal to x over 2, right? We're trying to solve for x. Now, if we kind of think about the meaning of what's going on, right? Let's have a think. X over 2 means half of something, right? Half of x in this case. So why don't we multiply this side by 2, because 2 halves make a whole, right? And that way we cancel out this 2 here. But then we're saying we're doubling the right hand side, and remember with equations, anything we do to the right hand side or the left hand side, we've got to do to the other side. So I'm gonna have to multiply this side by 2. But this is the common mistake that students make. They just multiply one term, they just multiply this, and they forget I have to multiply this as well. So I have to double this, right? This side on the left. So 2x times 2 is 4x, and that can stay over 3, because if you think about it, if we have 2x over 3 times 2, if you remember how to multiply fractions, we just multiply the numerator and multiply denominator, and so it becomes 4x over 3. So that's why I've got 4x over 3 there. So then I've got 4x over 3, but I have to remember to multiply the 1 by 2 as well. 4x over 3, take away 1, is equal to x. We're nearly done, right? We can also now think about, oh, I've got a 3 here, right? This fraction, I've got a third. I want to get rid of that third because that just makes it so much more complicating. So I want to multiply both sides by 3 because it's complicated otherwise. So that cancels that out, because you had a third of something, you multiply by 3, it becomes a whole, right? In this case, 4x. But don't forget, we've multiplied by 3 on both sides. We've got to make sure we don't forget to multiply this by 3 as well. So we get 4x, because that's cancelled the 3 out, but we have to multiply by the 1 by 3. But how I made a mistake here. Should it be a 1? It shouldn't, right? Because I should have multiplied by 2. So 1 times 2 is 2, and now I can multiply the 2 by 3. 2 times 3 is 6. So I get 4x take away 6 is equal to, and again, the same thing on this side, right? I have to multiply x by 3 to get 3x here. So we do one thing times 3 on one side, we've got to make sure we do it on the other side as well. So we got 4x take away 6 equals 3x, which is much more easier, right? If we take away 3x on both sides and add 6 on both sides, then we get x is equal to 6. That's our answer that we'll be looking for. X is equal to 6. Now, let me know if that made sense, if that worked for you, or if there's something that we've not understood.